Hello everyone, welcome to another Roblox Studio tutorial video. In this video, I will be showing you my timer GUI. So, this is the script handling the timer, and here is my GUI layout. So I have a screen GUI, inside there's a frame. Inside the frame, there's the local script, two bindable events, and the text label, which corresponds to this little GUI on the bottom left corner. So basically, these two bindable events, another script will call the start timer, and that will start the timer, and they can hook on to the end timer, and that end timer will fire when the timer runs out. So inside the script, I have four variables here: start timer, end timer, frame, and text label. And I have this function here, and this function basically just takes in the number of seconds and spits out something that looks like this, a string, with the minutes on the left separated by a colon, and seconds on the right. So this code does that. Of course, code is in the description. So down here, this will handle the start timer event. We're going to connect that to a function that takes in the number of seconds. So the first thing the function does is make the GUI visible. Then we're going to make a variable called start time. And this loop will run while the time has not run out yet. So in this while loop, it will just update it with the how much time is left in the text, utilizing this time to string function on the time that is still left. And once that loop ends, it means that the timer's run out, so we're gonna fire the end timer function and make the GUI not visible again. So that's the script. If you're wondering why I didn't type this out, is because every single time I try to record this, I would make a mistake in the middle. So this script, proven to work. Code is in the description. Thanks for watching, everyone. Yeah, bye guys.